Hi everyone, if you're looking for the best Bitget referral code, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use the Bitget referral code 4H6K to unlock exclusive benefits and get started with one of the top crypto exchanges. Whether you're searching for a Bitget promo code, Bitget sign-up code, or Bitget invitation code, this is all you need. It's super simple. 1. Click the link in the description. This will take you directly to the Bitget sign-up page. 2. Automatic code application. The Bitget referral code 4A6K will be automatically applied during the sign-up process. If not, you can easily copy and paste it from the video description. 3. Create your account. You can sign up using Google, Apple, or email, whatever is easiest for you. Bitget offers some fantastic bonuses for new users. Sign up. Bonus. Earn up to 1,530 USDT just by using the referral code 4H6K when you register. Mystery Box. Unlock a mystery box worth up to 500 USDT by reaching specific trading volumes. No deposit bonus. Complete your KYC, know your customer verification, and receive a bonus without needing to make an initial deposit. Additional bonuses. Participate in trading challenges and invite friends to the platform to earn even more rewards. These bonuses are designed to give you a strong start on Bitget, with plenty of opportunities to maximize your earnings. Why use the Bitget referral code 4H6K? By using the referral code 4H6K, you're not just signing up, you're unlocking access to these incredible bonuses and more. Bitget is a secure, user-friendly platform that offers a wide range of trading options, including spot and futures trading, all in one place. Don't miss out on these exclusive bonuses and rewards. Click the link below, sign up with the Bitget referral code 4H6K, and start trading today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and happy trading.